Thursday, January 26th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you, and our next storm system is approaching the region today, and that's going to bring us some showers, especially here to the Carolinas as we go through tonight into very, very early tomorrow. A couple of trends on the modeling with this system here. One is for the system to really produce much less in the way of rainfall than some of the earlier model cycles had indicated. The other trend is a quicker exit to the system overall rather. Now I'll show you how this is looking here as today's edition of the video unfolds. Let's take a look at the severe weather reports from yesterday, and a pretty good amount of them in eastern Texas and Louisiana. A couple of tornado reports involved there, in fact 7 to be specific, but there were some reports of tornadoes yesterday, and more severe weather is a possibility today. I'll show you that map here in just a moment. There's the radar imagery during the 5 o'clock hour this morning, and you have some rain and thunderstorms in southeastern Louisiana and parts of Mississippi, some areas of showers further north from there. Then you get up into Ohio and Pennsylvania. It's generally some light mixed precipitation this morning. Pretty potent piece of upper-level energy here spinning over Texas. Very well-defined upper-level low, but it's going to be weakening as it moves off to the northeast and in our direction. Temperatures this morning milder than where we have been. A lot of 40s across the Piedmont, even some 50s, and a lot of the mountains are even in the low 50s at the time I'm cutting this video. Now there's your day one severe weather outlook covering a good chunk of Mississippi, Alabama, into western Georgia, southeasternmost Louisiana, the Florida Panhandle too, and that'll be the main area of concern for severe weather today. Now this is not as dynamic of a system as what we dealt with across the regions we went through Sunday night into Monday morning, but still some severe weather a possibility nonetheless. And here's your day two probabilities, and really it'll be coastal parts of the Carolinas up into the Virginia tidewaters there that have the greatest chance of seeing an isolated severe storm tomorrow. But those chances are not great at all once you get into the Carolinas. Now in terms of the upper level chart, this is the European model. There's your upper level low sitting close to Shreveport, Louisiana this afternoon, and notice the upper level low weakens into a trough as it swings into our region by Friday morning, tomorrow morning. Thereafter, we look all the way out at 180 hours, and the European wants to cut off a low in the southwest. It's kind of alone in that solution. There's a lot of model variability as we get later on into next week. Now let's go to the GFS. This is kind of the overall solution I've gone with for a lot of the forecast package this morning. We're going to see a lot of clouds today. There might be a few Piedmont and foothill showers this afternoon, but most of the shower activity with this system will swing in here tonight. This is the precip from 7 p.m. to 1 a.m., and then here's 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. So a lot of the modeling indicating that most of our showers here across the Piedmont and the upstate will occur from late evening and then through the overnight hours, and then it's gone very early in the day tomorrow. And we're probably going to be looking at a lot of sunshine building in as tomorrow unfolds. Mild and breezy conditions too. Then it does cool down a bit for the weekend. There's Saturday. We're probably looking at upper 50s and lower 60s for high Saturday, and 50s Sunday, and maybe lower 50s on Monday. Some lows getting back down at or below freezing, but certainly nothing at all that's impressive about this incoming shot of cold air. Now later on next week, there's Tuesday, looks quiet. The next cold front moves through Wednesday. It's not looking like that front has a lot of support for precipitation across the region. And in fact, I do not have any rain in the formal forecast right now for that frontal passage Wednesday, but there might be a few showers, but nothing overly significant, and really nothing terribly exciting in the long range. I still think as we get into February, we probably see the pattern become a little bit more favorable for some more winter-like weather here across the southeast, but that's not a foregone conclusion. I'm kind of on the fence here with exactly how February wants to go in terms of the overall pattern, so still kind of working on those ideas. All right, that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.